Hey guys, what's up? Just taking the Aerox out for a spin. So I'm just going to try to do 0 to 100 now. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. And we have reached 100. So I'll put the exact timing down below and you can just check for yourself. Let me just wait for the traffic to clear out because I also want to do a 100 to 0. Are we at 100? Yeah, so we are at 100 and I'm going to jam the brakes. So I haven't checked the timings for that. Let me just do that on Premiere Pro and put it down below. The rear skid though, yes, but if you saw, it was very stable and no wobble at all. So tires doing a very good job at whatever they do. I did release the rear brake a bit early because I didn't want to eat up my tires. So yeah, let's see where we can go today. A good spot, some good views. So doing a top speed, oh my god, 122. So 120 is pretty comfortable on this bike, I believe. It doesn't struggle, I mean it does struggle to reach 120, but anything above 120 is a no-go. I mean, unless you have a slope and the wind favors you. I have slope, but then the wind is hitting me badly. 123, 24. I do 25? No 25. That's it. 123. There is our beautiful ghat coming up now. I'll just slow down a bit. And off we go onto the ghat. Already at 100. I have to brake. Doing corners at 100 plus without breaking a sweat. And the slope 120, nothing above 120, 121. Okay, 122, and I know that's it. Yep, that's it. today. Unreasonably windy today. Without a reason. There's no rains as well. So these are some beautiful Volvos. I guess they are taking okay. They are windmill parts, cements. At least the convoy culture with escorts has caught up in India now. Beautiful. Throttle is pinned. It's a steep incline though, and this is what it does. It's a steep incline and the throttle is pinned, so I don't blame the bike. Any bike would take a hit. Even the R15 used to, when I used to pack her up with luggage and come up on this road. इंडिकेटर नहीं, कुछ नहीं, घुसे जा रहे. The ABS kicks in very nicely, very beautifully, without any problem. Whoa. I'm glad that it's not wet, because if it was, then I would definitely be screwed. There is a road going that side. I guess I'll go that side and see what is there, because I know it's a mud quarry this way, but this side, let's see. Oh, some beautiful view. Whew, I'm gasping for air now. Is the road going to go up or no? I should have got the big Z here. It would be fun. Whoa! So that's that. Do we go up? Let's see what's there. चलो देखते हैं. इधर तक आए हैं तो क्या होने वाला है. Aha. Okay, so the bike hasn't bogged down yet anywhere, even though like pretty steep stuff everywhere, but the bike hasn't bogged down anywhere. Woohoo! That's the beauty of having a moped that can go anywhere. चलो, इधर से तो रास्ता है, वो तो पता है. We aren't going to get lost anyways. Look, Ma, this is open. How come? Woohoo! Beautiful. Place is beautiful, but my body is gone. Left, right. Hoito. Hadinu hoito. Let me go back, because there doesn't seem to be any way here. Chalo, let's not risk it. Whew. So do we try to go that side and find out what is there? Let's see. So the next picture is still continues. I've never come here first time, and the exit. Got to be very careful here. It's fucking steep and it is slippery. I know that. Go this way. Okay. So I came from somewhere there and I'm going from somewhere here. चलो देखते हैं, ढूंढते हैं. फोन में चार्ज है, गूगल मैप्स भी है. Where are we going to get lost? Right? That's what I think. Or that's what I hope for. वहीं तो आ गए हैं हम. Don't know how this will be in the monsoons. I mean, this place is going to be crazy in the monsoons. Come here with a 4x4. There is a road nearby here to get back. So there is nothing here. This is going to take me down, I believe. Is there any way we can go up there? Oh my god, look at those beautiful peacocks. Can you see them? And there are loads of them. So many of them. Beautiful. Okay, I don't think this is going to take me anywhere. So I better go back now and be safe. So many beautiful peacocks, man. one disadvantage of not wearing a jacket and shoes. And also assess the damage. Okay, that's not a problem. Superficial scratches on